It is 7:25 and here on Breakfast, very good morning to you if you're just joining us now. As always, this show doesn't begin without you, the early riser, the morning hero, the London legend, who's getting up early and getting the city going for the rest of us. This morning, Adam Harris, London City Trader, joins me. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, good morning.
Now, when I say London City Trader, are we talking trading market wares on the stalls or trading on the financial markets? Both require early starts, but very different skill sets.
So no, we're talking about engaging in the financial markets, yes.
Listen, you're on the financial markets. All we've been talking recently is about the financial markets. Have you been getting a lot of slack?
Not so much actually, because I'm trading it sort of more from the perspective of, let's say, I'll use the word civilian, like, sort of anyone like you and me. And I'm sort of I'm benefiting from the moves. So in a way, it's a little bit like hedging. If, for example, the pound is weakening, I can still benefit from that. Even if outside of trading, you can feel the impact of it. But look, there's lights at the end of the tunnel. I don't think things are going to be the way they are now forever.
Okay. I mean, you must have had such an exhausting few weeks ever since Liz Truss was Prime Minister and everything went a little bit chaotic.
Well, it's funny, the world has really been watching the US at the moment. So although we've had our own drama at home, everybody's kind of been looking abroad just to see, kind of get a sense of where things are going. But I also had I was away for the first time. I went to Ibiza for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
And I was, thank you. And while I was away, of course, a lot of this drama was happening. So yes, I spent about half the holiday. I spent about half the holiday kind of having to work when I wasn't really planning on it.
No, I thought you managed to avoid it, but no, you were called in. Outrageous. Yeah. What time do you get up in the morning then, a typical trader?
In the winter, obviously it's harder, it's more difficult. And obviously I grew up in South Africa as well, so I'm used to the sun and I'm used to the warmth. So it's a little bit trickier, but it's usually I would try to be at my desk by 6 o'clock, say 6:15. And in the summer, it's much easier. So in the summer, I might even be at my desk at 5:30, but you don't have to be. There's a nice surge in the morning where we're on the tail end of the Sydney-Tokyo session, and then we overlap with them. And then we have a bit of a lull after about 10 a.m. until the US comes online. So you might start early, but then you can have a bit of a break until the US comes online.
Little nap in the afternoon.
I won't deny that. It might have happened.
Good man. Listen, I'm all for a nap. I'm absolutely all for a nap. Listen, it was lovely chatting to you. I hope you get a nap today. Thank you for rising early for the city and the markets.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's Adam, trader, getting up early and hopefully getting a nap this afternoon. Listen, since I have started breakfast, I am a big fan of the nap. I don't know why I'm saying that like I wasn't a big fan of the nap before. I was always a big fan of a nap. I met someone recently who said they just can't nap. No, they just don't like a nap. It makes them feel terrible. And I felt really, really sorry for them that they were missing out on one of life's simplest and greatest pleasures, the afternoon nap. But anyway, it's 7:28. There are no time for naps now. We're just getting started here on The Breakfast Show. Rise and shine, London.